Labtech Engineering has specifically engineered a new high-speed 3D filament line to produce higher outputs of precise filament diameters. This newly developed line can run at speeds of up to 130 meters per minute for the most common 3D filament polymers. Featuring our standard 40mm single screw extruder that can operate at a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. This line shows the production of PLA filaments. This line also features the option of a dual-axis laser diameter measuring gauge unit that can continuously monitor filament diameters of 1.75 mm, 2.85 mm, and other sizes upon request. Fitted to the extruder is the 3D filament strand die for producing filament, having a diameter of 1.75 mm in this case. Labtech has also designed a new multi-section heating and cooling calibration bath that uses hot and cool water for precise temperature control. It is equipped with a controller to regulate the temperature of the two hot water calibration bath sections. The calibration bath is divided into 3 sections, each having its own stainless steel cover. Thanks to this triple zigzag downstream tempering and cooling unit, the total length of the line is much shorter than our earlier filament lines, in spite of the much higher line speed of up to 130 meters per minute. Further down the line are the dual-axis laser diameter measuring gauge unit, which is optional, and the new high-speed haul-off unit. This line also features the new horizontal filament accumulator that can collect filaments twice as long as our earlier accumulators. And Labtech has developed this new high-speed single-station wind-up unit that utilizes a practical pneumatic quick gripper system fitted to most standard cassette sizes for a much simpler and more convenient changeover. It is also synchronized with our long horizontal accumulator, allowing ample time to change over the cassettes without the use of a 2-station wind-up. In addition, it also has a new lay-on system that enables a perfect side-by-side filament wind-up for most resin types. The total length of this new high-speed 3D filament line is approximately 9 meters. So when the filament strand is smoothly extruded from the extruder, it is directly submerged into the hot water calibration bath and threaded around free rolling reels along the calibration bath sections towards the filament dryer. Then it is guided along the dual-axis laser diameter measuring gauge unit and inserted into the haul-off unit. The filament is threaded alternately around the 2 sets of accumulator reels of the horizontal filament accumulator. And then it is guided along the pressure and guide rolls of the wind-up unit before it is fed to the wind-up spool. The spool can be changed for producing filament batch weights ranging from 750 grams to 3 kilograms. The filament guide of the wind-up unit traverses sideways, back and forth, as the filament is being wound up inside the spool, creating a very nice filament wind-up with its operational settings regulated on the wind-up control unit. The PLA filament produced has a very precise diameter of 1.75 millimeters, while the line is continuously running at a high speed of 130 meters per minute. When the spool winder is full, the filament is manually cut, which sends a signal for the right side reel of the horizontal filament accumulator to start moving sideways. After a new empty spool is securely attached to the wind-up unit, the wind-up process is started again, and the accumulator reel gradually makes its way back to its initial position. And the 3D filament line continuously operates without any production interruption. This has been the new high-speed 3D filament line, developed by Labtech Engineering. Thank you for watching.